2024 Porsche Cayenne engine oil change. So let's figure out how to do this. What's the first step?
Taking a wild guess here?
I don't know, Brian. I don't think it's down there. What are you looking for over there? I say we just take this cover off. Step 1, take the oil cap off. Oh, there's a tab here. Step 1, take these tabs off. Can't you see we're making a YouTube video?
Is that what you call them now?
Step 2.
Then this comes. That's crazy.
So you have to take this off. Take the screw clamps off.
You know, I think it'd be more fun if we just broke.
You know, what if it's not even over here? What if it's just directly underneath the car?
That could be very possible.
Okay, so we gotta get to this filter over here.
What are we doing?
I don't know what we're doing. Okay, so we can move these back.
Brian, you want this one?
For free?
No.
No.
Fuck thing.
No. Maybe free.
What this lab with free?
Come on.
Everything's free. Free sample.
I think this comes up and then falls out towards us.
Nice.
I'm
Anything
not
else?
exactly sure how this sits in.
I think it's there's a tab here.
Oh yeah. So down or up? This.
Nice. We can still barely see the filter. So this does have to come off, Brian. You were right.
Yeah. This price up.
Oh, here's the tab.
Come on. Yes.
Nice.
Yes.
That was easy. T30?
35.
I didn't realize this was going to need a bunch of stuff to take off.
Yeah, I think 3. I forgot what it is. Might be 2 hours.
Nice.
We might have to search filter change on all of that.
There we go. It's enough space. That looks like what, a 32 or 36?
It's a 36.
32.
That's a 36.
I agree with 36.
It is.
It's wrong. You're fired.
You need to learn what carbon fiber panels. It's
Oh wow. There's mainly T20s.
oh. Oh.
Just it higher. Oh my goodness. Alright, now the under panel is removed. And we're gonna take off the drain plug. Watch this be the transmission.
So you have a YouTube channel? Or
Not yet.
not yet?
I need to make some videos.
Oh.
Ooh.
Ah, you have a door in front now. It's Porsche. Porsche.
It's Porsche oil, so it's not dirty. Okay, now we're gonna torque the drain plug to 30 Newton meters.
We've let it finish. So,
That's good. Hopper on.
One-handed?
Yeah, I don't care. Ooh, you overtorqued it.
nice.
31.5.
31?
It's gonna leak now.
It's gonna blow up.
Yeah. It's gonna drop the timing chain.
You record a video now this about leak.
Why not? When that moves.
Okay, now we put this cover back on.
Making sure that you're wearing gloves.
You put all of these T20s in there. Just hold it, Brian. I'm gonna put them all in by hand.
Where'd that come from? We got that old style.
We're back up top now, Brian. What do we do next?
Now we need to extract the filter cup. The filter.
We probably should have done this earlier so that it would start draining.
Oh yeah.
It's on there.
That thing was never removed. Don't know what I'm doing there. Make sure you drip all of the oil down inside of these intake tubes.
It's easier to put it here because it'll burn up and smoke.
Oh yes. Oh. If I had a rag, this would already be out of the vehicle.
I'm not giving you a rag. You're gonna have to sit here and let it drain. Oh. Alright, do your work on that bucket.
It's strange.
It's collapsing.
Something's going on there.
Maybe they drive it hard, so it's a lot of pressure.
Nothing special in there. No shiny.
Both
Need
sides
to be-
can go ahead and... They look like they're the same, both sides, no?
Yeah. There's no valve in the middle. It's attached to the cup. Put the racing red seal on.
Yeah, we got the red O-rings to match the calipers.
It's like a licorice stuck in there.
Nice.
Alright. Now, just go right back.
Nah, I feel
25 newton meters.
Man, I feel like Mr. Beast right now. We're giving away a free used oil filter. Why you have it all crooked?
I accidentally pushed the button. Power.
What's the torque spec?
25. Incher. It wrong. Wrong.
Nice. So now we'll put this brace back on.
Six screws.
There's one small one, and here's
Yes.
they use the soar fly on this one. The soar fly. You might have to hold the battery down because it keeps popping out.
Perfect. Then we will the plastic trim.
And now we're gonna put this thing in.
Right?
Yeah.
These.
Oh yeah, it goes. Put those in first.
It's me if I wanted to do it.
Just want some multi-point?
Yeah. It's like, how's that even take? She's left. So I left. Oh, wait.
Let me go first.
Is this formula? Is it sick?
Yeah.
They have the same shades.
Probably the same suppliers too. I'm gonna put this dingle back on.
My little O-ring, I don't know where it went. Oh, you got it.
That goes after, right? Or does it go first?
Yes. Yeah, probably first. Second.
I already know the title for this video. 2 lube techs mess up a Porsche. They forget to put oil in it. And then they forget to put the oil cap back on.
I'm not sure what's going on there.
Oh no, that's not on. Holy clip onto.
Looks like it's supposed to slide in some slots. Yeah.
That's good, right?
Yeah. These.
Nice.
Yeah.
Oh. All right. Boom.
So all of this is going in.
Yeah, we're gonna put all of it, all 9 liters. Alright, shake. What does that bottle say? European formula?
European formula.
Wow. This is Syntec European formula. Alright, let's put the bottle in. Alright, now we put the second bottle in.
Same
Syntec
European.
European ZW40.
Bottle number 2. Nice golden color. Just like the oil that came out of it.
That's right.
Honestly, could reuse that.
The mighty oil cap. Oh no, it's not spinning on. It's upside down.
You'll have an extra programming icon tomorrow. Can't find